Damn it!
Good evening, Charles.
Oh, Mr. Cooper. I never realized how pretty Greenwood is at night. All right, I'm going.
Good evening, sir.
Nurse Wilkins, it's Charles. You must be new here.
Sorry, Mr. Charles, but Nurse Atkins has clear instructions to get you back to your room without fail.
Can't you spare an old man a midnight snack?
All right, Charles. I'll see what I can find for you.
That's so kind of you.
I'm afraid this is the best I can do for tonight, sir.
Oh, thank you. You have no idea how helpful this is. Oh, what happened to those diapers that they give out?
I'm sorry, Charles. They ran out. But don't worry. Nurse Atkins says there's another delivery coming in on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Oh, don't worry, son. I should be just fine. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Good morning, Chuck.
Hey there, Trooper.
You're late.
How's the planning coming, guys?
Plan is solid. We just need the opportunity to present itself.
Well, I got some good news.
What the deuces are you guys talking about?
We're breaking the hell out of here. We've been talking about this for over a week.
Yeah, oh no, come on, just keep up.
I thought you guys were kidding.
Back in Vietnam, if you weren't paying attention, the Viet Cong was gonna get you right where you stood. Boom! Bam!
Anyway, I caught word that there's gonna be a delivery this coming Wednesday night.
This is it.
That's it.
So, Mr. Dwyer.
Please, call me Charles.
Mr. Dwyer, I hope you realize that the rules we have are for your own safety. Your children are paying for the absolute best care because they love you.
We'll agree to disagree, Miss Atkins.
Nurse Atkins, please just try to stay out of trouble.
At 2300 hours, we intercept the precious cargo.
2,300 hours?
That's 11 p.m., dummy. Can't you Americans understand 24-hour format?
Military time.
Our way out is the key cards. Read and I'll be on that.
Back in my glory days, I was with Her Majesty's Royal Theatre. So that'll keep me warmed up for when they return the casting calls. Cheers.
You got the goods?
Are you sure this is a good idea, Chuck?
You'll do great, buddy. Duncan, you're the wheels.
As always, we're gonna walk right in there and rob them blind.
Perfect.
It seems like we got a solid plan. What could go wrong?
Good evening, Mr. Kowalski.
I brought you something.
Now, where did you get that?
Does it really matter?
Nope.
Hey, Mr. Dwyer, back for another midnight snack?
Oh, you already know me too well.
Ouch! It seems that my ankle has given out. Oh, no. If this is to be my final curtain call, then I choose to go out in a blaze of glory. Save yourself. Save yourself. Save the other screen. I'm not moving.
These are for you.
Coffee?
Oh, thanks, dude. Oh, yeah. Is that dude all right?
He's just had a long day.
All right.
Voila! It worked.
Hold on, Reed. I have to call Nurse Atkins.
No, you do not need to do that. Seriously, it's a minor thing.
I'm
It's
sorry,
all right.
Reed, but Nurse Atkins warned that something like this may happen.
No, you don't need to.
Did you really have to call me up this late?
I'm sorry, Nurse Atkins. I'm still kind of new here. I wasn't sure on the protocol.
What happened, Reed?
I tried to break out of Greenwood.
He's been talking about this all night. He might be delirious.
Why won't you believe me?
Did you check his ankle?
Of course, nurse. It wasn't anything serious at all. Not even any swelling.
Then what the hell did you call me in for?
I don't know.
Reed, you can head back to your room. Wilkins, stay here. I need to have a chat with you.
Jesus, you scared me.
Oh, how'd you get out?
I told them the truth.
You what?
They didn't believe me. Honesty is the best policy, I guess. Come on, let's go. This outfit there.
You. I drugged 2 men and stole a package. I'm proud of you, Arnold. Here we go. Yes. Do it. Ready? All right, here we go.
Gentlemen, your chariot is here.
Wait, Duncan, you can walk?
Barely.
I'm gonna miss this place.
You got that right, Private.
You've been good to us, Greenwood.
Vegas. Vegas.
Oh, we'll explain that to you later, buddy.